What is up, guys? At the Young AG, at the Garrett Climber, at the Laced Up Show. Fenty, I've been wanting these for so long, and I have a long list of stuff, guys, that I keep just in case, you know.
Oh my word.
Bro, the bag, though. The Fenty bag, like, the velvet is crazy quality. The inside, feel the leather on the inside, bro.
How much did you pay? $60?
$60. Leather insole.
Got the little bow on the end.
Bow on the ends. Oh my god, these are insane. These aren't no Fugazi. These were from Nordstrom Rack. Wax laces, keep them tied.
Really?
Easy to slip on, yeah.
I don't with my swoosh, so I untie them every time.
But, man, these are nice, bro.
These are a pimp.
These are crazy, bro.
One word to
They
describe
feel
real quick.
so nice. Red velvet, like.
Red velvet. These are, I can see like a pimp wearing these, dog.
Bro, these are fire.
Wow.
Are these not bonkers, though, the quality?
And you get so many different tones of that red in a different light.
Oh, absolutely. These are grandma's carpet right here.
What's with that sole, though?
I know, bro. These are a little thicky Ricky.
Thicky Ricky.
So these are
Feel the
heavy.
difference.
Oh my god. So I won't be selling these because these would cost like $80 to ship, like my damn Tim's did.
How much did those cost?
$35 to ship.
And that's leathers all the way through, too.
Bro,
in
yeah.
The tail box.
These are so clean.
You should have bought the black ones, too.
I know, I should have got the black ones too. The black ones aren't a special. Now, I've seen these going for a couple hundred, obviously, but in the women's sizes, but the men's sizes are a little cheaper, actually, around 150, anywhere to 90.
Trying to wear these.
I don't know why, though, to be honest. Like,
they're cool.
These can get fits off. Like, these can stand alone by themselves and be like, even with this, just with anything, they work pretty much. Because they're so...
Except probably what I'm wearing.
Yeah. No, anything, bro. These are like... These are basically Yeezys to me. Like, the quality's insane. The price, $60. A DS. Like, and that's the thing. I've worn these like 4 times, and you can't even really tell because the sole's brown. So, I mean, these are so nice, though. Like, the accents, every single thing about them. To be honest, these are worth $150, like we talked earlier
Gold
about the
lace tips, very fire.
About the Flying at Hyperdunks being worth that. Like, these are worth $150 or whatever because the retail, because of just the quality, bro.
I've never felt a shoe like this before.
I've never felt many items like this before,
No.
bro. These are insane. In the membrane.
They're the softest things I've ever felt.
Yeah, these are so soft. Like, and that's the thing, you're right, you get so many textures, you get so many colors. Are these not insane, bro?
They're
This is like a pillow. $60, guys, at Nordstrom Rack. Oh my god. So, these make me feel like a bad bitch right here.
Do they?
Yeah, bro, they do.
Do they make you feel like the only girl in the world?
Yeah. Bro, they do. They do. And they fit nice. I mean,
I'm gonna try one on real quick.
okay, they fit nice. I mean, like, they fit true to size. I mean, they are nice, though, dog.
Oh my god.
Are they
Such
not,
a good fit.
bro?
Right
Are they not perfect fit though? Too.
The width
like,
is amazing.
Look at
too.
Puma. Shout out Puma real quick. Shout out Puma making
Puma doing stuff.
doing stuff and getting their sizing right. That's the one thing Adidas and Nike cannot do.
I
Get their
know.
sizing right. So I mean, shout out Puma. Shout out Rihanna. Love Rihanna. And
Keep doing your thing.
These do not disappoint.
Oh my word.
Are these not bonkers though, bro?
I don't know if I can do them, man.
Laced
I
up
love
fit.
them, though.
You
I
can get the
love them,
black
though.
ones up. Bro, like, here's the thing. Once I beat these will just be house slippers, bro. Like, wear them around the house. Like, are they not fire, though? Look, they even look fire with just white dad socks.
These are Jordan socks.
White Jordan socks. They look like dad socks from the side.
I know, because you got no logo. They do look good with the white socks.
Bro, these look good with anything. These save fits.
Get married in these. Wear these to prom.
Bro, for real. Wear these to prom and you'll look like 2 inches taller. These are thick.
Wear these on all your Tinder dates.
Leather sewed down insole, so if you have to go up a half size, you can.
What size are these so I can start digging?
10.
10?
Yeah.
Fire.
Bro, these are nice though. Like, I'd pay 120 for these. I didn't realize how nice these were in person. We didn't get these around here, really.
Are you gonna start digging for more colorways?
I don't know. This is my favorite one, and I just kind of
know.
want to leave it at that, you know?
It's like how I did with the swooshes. I just kept buying them.
The black one's nice, but these are so freaking nice. Like, it's kind of like a taupe outsole.
Yeah.
But I mean, like, the stitching's nice. Like, they don't, like, there's a couple glue errors, but I mean, it's a Nordstrom Rack. What are you going to accept?
That stresses me out how big and dense that is.
Yeah, it kind of does, but at the same time, it's
But
like...
the quality is just...
The quality's
It's
nice.
amazing.
And it doesn't feel like trash outsole.
No,
It just,
not
it's
at
just
all.
like...
They're sturdy.
Yeah, they're sturdy.
Sturdy and
You
purdy.
can hike a mountain in these. So, but hashtag rock what you like.
Oh my goodness.
You have to be... You have to be wild into wear these.
You gotta feel yourself.
You gotta feel yourself. I'm telling you this and the chain make me feel invincible though. Like when I wear this at the chain at the same time, my power levels go through the roof.
Power levels don't matter anymore.
I don't know. My power levels like go.
Well, if
These
you're
are
somebody-
like. These are insane though. Like you can't even describe them.
They're comfortable
You know what I mean?
too. Like,
They're
I'm not
comfortable.
trying to,
Yeah.
run a bunch in them, but like they move with your foot just.
Yeah,
fine.
like they fit. Like they look like they'd be clunky and they're a little bricky, but like the upper fit's nice. Like the leather is soft, so it feels like a nice fit. Like it doesn't fit like a Stan Smith or like
And it's
a,
not gonna crease really bad because all the creasing's gonna be done eternally on the leather.
yeah.
So that velvet's just gonna stay nice.
Yeah. I know I shouldn't leave them tied. Actually, now that I say that, I will untie them because I don't want them to be like, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
I don't want them to get nasty. I don't want the laces to get nasty, but
Get crusty.
get crusty. But oh my gosh, and God forbid you wear them with the laces down and tucked in. Oh my, so clean.
I like the gold lace tips though.
I do like the gold lace tips. And you got the gold, the Fenty by Rihanna on the inside. Shout out, Bay. You did
Keep
your
doing
thing
your
on
thing.
these.
Leather,
oh my
leather
God.
Puma on the side too. That's leather.
Yeah.
The little guy's leather.
Yeah.
Leather on the tongue.
Leather
Oh
on the
my
tongue.
God.
I know. Garrett's shocked by these right now.
I am. Like I had to talk him into buying them too because he
I know.
wasn't going to. He was gonna walk.
I know. I was gonna let him go, and I was like, oh, I really need him, and I just bought this next thing that we're about to show you guys. That I thought was a brick, but maybe not as a brick, but maybe is. So, but hashtag rock what you like.
Wow.
Hashtag steals exist. $60.
You gonna do your DJ Khaled again for how much you love these?
Look at me. Look at me. I love these. They're so special. Look how special these are. You're special. I do everything for you. You're special. I do everything for you.
Just pet these, bro.
Bro, I know. Are these not nice? Like, these are so clean.
There's nothing wrong with these, well, like other than like that just bugs me.
Yeah, I feel you. I
But
mean, and
they're
there
just
is a couple
cool. They're
strings
nice.
loose and everything. But I mean,
You've been buying some quality here as of late.
yeah, I have. I mean, how much better are you going to get for $60? I mean, were these on Thanksgiving? Cranberry saucing on them, you know what I mean?
Wow.
So, you're special, you're kind, you're beautiful, you're unique. Look at how unique you are. So unique. Hashtag rock what you like. Hashtag steals exist. Hashtag do your homework. Hashtag go to Nordstrom Rack.
Hashtag thank you, Bay.
Hashtag
Thank you, Rihanna.
Thank you, Bay. Hashtag Fenty for life.